two people walk into a financial meeting on the same day, both have $1 million, both want the best advice money can buy. One goes to a private bank, one goes to a wealth management company. 5 years later, one of them is significantly better off, not because of the market, not because of luck, because of the structure they choose at the beginning. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what that difference is and how to make the right choice for your specific situation. I have been working in private banking and financial services for 16 years. I have seen both worlds from the inside. I'm making this video to help people to understand the difference between private banking and wealth management, and to help people to make most suitable choices for their own situation. Let us start with private banking, a clear definition first. Private banking is a comprehensive relationship-based financial service exclusively for high net worth individuals. It is a complete financial relationship. One dedicated person, your banker, coordinates your investment, your lending, your tax, your estate planning, and your lifestyle, and everything. Private banking service is provided by private banks. Private banks must hold a banking license. Holding a banking license means the institution is regulated by FINMA in Switzerland and the FCA in the UK. Private banks are subject to banking law, capital adequacy requirements, anti-money laundering regulations, and the full weight of financial supervision. 6 services a private bank can normally offer. Service 1, custodian services. A licensed private bank can hold and safekeep your financial assets, your investments, such as stocks, bonds, funds, structured products, precious metals on your behalf. They hold your assets in segregated accounts in your name. This is not a wealth management company can offer. Service 2, investment management. Either discretionary, where the bank manage your investment portfolios on your behalf, or advisory, where you make every final investment decision while the bank provide you investment advice. Service 3, Lombard lending. A private bank provides Lombard loans. Their clients can borrow against their investment portfolio without selling their investment. Their clients can access to liquidity to buy a property, to fund a business, or to do more investment inside the private bank or outside without disrupting their long-term investment strategy. Service 4, estate and tax planning. A private bank normally has a wealth planning team and a tax specialist team to help the clients legally minimize their tax burdens and maximize inheritance efficiencies, and to protect assets across generations. Service 5, multi-jurisdictional coordination. For clients with assets in multiple countries, private banking coordinates investments, lending, taxes, legal structures under one relationship. Service 6, private banking clients can access to the investment products which are not available to retail investors. The minimum amount required by the private banks, Some banks accept as little as $250,000. Some require $1 billion. Some exclusive private banks require $5 billion or above. Now, wealth management, a clear definition first. Wealth management is a professional financial advisory service that provides investment management, financial planning, and tax guidance to affluent clients. Most wealth management companies are called independent advisors, boutique investment managers, or external asset managers. They are regulated as investment advisors or portfolio managers. They are not regulated as banks. They can advise you on how to invest, or they can manage your portfolio on your behalf. There are four types of services a wealth management company normally offer. First, investment management, including portfolio construction, asset allocation, fund selection, and the ongoing management of your investment portfolio. Two, financial planning. They do retirement planning, cash flow analysis, saving strategy, and the long-term financial goals settings. Three, tax planning. They advise on structuring investments and income to minimize your tax liabilities within your jurisdiction. Fourth, the specialist expertise. Many wealth managers specialize in specific areas like impact investing, multi-country tax optimization, etc. The minimum amount a wealth management company requires is $50,000, much lower than the minimum of private banking. Now, let's compare the advantage of private banking and wealth management. There are four advantages of private banking. First, a private bank holds banking license, can provide custodian services. Advantage two, a private banking, they can provide it's a dedicated relationship. One person knows your complete financial life, your assets, your lending, your tax, your estate planning, and can coordinate everything simultaneously. Advantage three, investment access. The private banking clients can access to investments which are not available to retail investors. Advantage four, the private banking clients can borrow against their portfolios without selling their investment. The advantage of wealth management. There are also four advantages for wealth management. Advantage one, the lower costs or lower fees. As the wealth management company focus on mainly on investment, so the cost is only for investments. So they do not charge you more for other services. Advantage two, a genuine independence. Many wealth management companies, they do not have their in-house investment products. So they can recommend their clients the best or most suitable investment without their incentive to gain more profit. How to make the right choice? Private banking or wealth management? Choose wealth management. if you don't have the minimum of 250,000 investable assets, and you want genuine independence for investment recommendations, and you are comfortable with a separate custodian bank, you do not need sophisticated lending, and you want many specialist investment advice. Choose private banking if you want everything under one roof, and you have more than $250,000 investable assets, and you value the integrated custody and investment management, and you want Lombard lending, and you have a complex multi-country structures. Private banking and wealth management are not competitors, they are partners. They even share revenues. Whether you choose private banking, wealth management, or combination, make sure you understand which institution holds your assets, what that costs, and what it is included and excluded. If this video helped you, please subscribe, leave me a comment. I read every single one. I will see you in the next video.